Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use the Google Bard AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you don't have the Google Bard AI application access already, then just make sure you watch our video on how to get your access first. After you've gained your access, you can simply open up your web browser and then type in bard.google.com in the address bar. Now this will directly take you into the Google Bard chat page. Now if you look at the instructions, you will be able to get a basic hint of how you can use the Google Bard AI. Now if you want some creative work done, such as writing some lyrics, then you can simply ask it to do so. Let's just go ahead and ask it to generate some lyrics. Now as you can see, it has immediately given me a lyrics based on the theme that was given to it. You can also ask it various factual questions that are related to facts and figures, and it will try its best to give you the appropriate answer. You can give it a thumbs up to mark it as a good response so that the Google Bard AI will learn about your preferences more, and it will give you more tailored responses. If you don't like the answer that you receive, then you can click on the View Other Draft drop-down button and you will see other versions of the same responses. You can click on the Regenerate button at the end, and this will generate another style of writing for the question that you just asked. Now this feature is particularly useful when you need to rephrase something. It can also be useful when you need to summarize a writing. So let's go ahead and give that a try. Now that we provided a suitable query and got a response, we can click on View Other Drafts to see other versions of the same writing. Just click on Draft 2 and you will be able to see what the second draft looks like. You can check out all of the drafts and find the one that suits you best, and of course provide the feedback with a thumbs up. You can also press the Regenerate Draft button to generate an entirely new set of responses. You can also choose to listen to the response by clicking on the Listen button. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use the Google Bard Chat AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.